Hey guys, welcome back to Beae video tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use video element of Beae Shopify Page Builder. What is video element? Video allow you to add more content to your web page to make customer more interesting and stay on your website longer. Utilizing video on your website may also improve your website ranks on the search engine. Therefore, Beae created video element to help a Shopify store owner quickly and simply add video to their websites. Let's get started. I will show you the most detailed usage of Beae video element. First, create the section. Go to the element, drag and drop the video element to the desired position. Click on the video element. The right side of the screen will appear Content tab and Advanced tab. In the Content tab, you can customize many things. When you click on Source, you will have the choice of the source of the video displayed from YouTube, Vimeo from external URL. I will choose one video source from YouTube. You can also change the ratio of the video. Choose from these options: default, 1:1, 3:2, 4:3, 16:9, and more. Responsive mode is available for all devices. I will choose the video ratio on desktop is 16:9 and on mobile is 3:2. Then paste the YouTube video link you want to display on your website here. Moreover, for long video and you only want them to display the most attractive video on the website, you can set them in the start time and end time section. The sound of the video is also controlled under Mute and Enable Play controls. Mute allow you to enable or disable muting the video. Enable Player controls allow you to enable or disable the option for the audience to control the video. Finally, for the video to have the most perfect look, you should add an image at the cover of the video. I will add one cover image for the desktop and one cover image for mobile screen. So you have customized the basic element so that your video can be displayed on the sales website. In the Advanced tab, you can customize spacing, background, border, responsive, animation, and attributes. Margin spacing. Margin spacing is the distance between sections. Padding is the distance between the section and column. And you can also customize the width for video. This video can also set position. However, according to Beae note here, it is not considered best practice for responsive web design and should not be used too often. In particular, enable sticky is an extremely interesting feature. When you assign a video to sticky on top, this slide will always stick to the top and will not disappear when pulled down. Hopefully, if you choose stick at the bottom, that video will always stick to the bottom. Similarly, I will also customize this element when the video is displayed on the mobile. To make the heading more prominent, you can change the background here or add a border and box shadow. Responsive allow video to display on desktop, tablet, or mobile device. If you check high on desktop, this video will only be displayed on tablet and mobile, or vice versa. You can also customize the effect when the video appears. Video can be displayed right on the page or can run from top to bottom, from the right, from the left, or from the variety of different appearance. Let's customize them in the entrance animation. In addition, you can also optimize the video appearance effect in the animation direction, animation delay, and iteration animation sessions. Finally, attribute will allow you to deeply intervene in the code of heading element. This section will be for those of you who want to design professionally. With this ultimate customization tool, you will create a headline that stand out and attract customers. Alright, that's all you need to know about the section of Beae. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, please feel free to chat with our support. See you next time.